Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. This video is related to TCS Digital Elevate Wing 1 September DCA 2021. In this video, we are going to discuss Wing 1 Direct Capability Assessment detailed syllabus, and we will also discuss technology questions type. In this video, what type of question will be from various technologies like Unix, automation testing or Wintel administration, etc. First of all, topics for September DCA 2021. First of all, there will be verbal ability section, and in verbal ability section, there will be grammar and appropriate usage, sentence jumbling, missing sentences, sentence framing, alternate usage, reading comprehension. So there will be these few topics from verbal ability section, and you have to prepare all these. However, in all previous DCA, verbal ability was easy section, but still you have to prepare for all the section because it may be tougher also. Now reasoning ability section. There will be figure and factual analysis, propositional and reasoning, visual and spatial reasoning, identifying words, numeric patterns, problem solving, and decision making. There will be questions from these topics, and I shall also start to make videos on these topics from reasoning ability section from tomorrow. Now numerical ability section. There will be question from number system, and number system in itself is a very big topic, and you have to cover various topics in number system. And there will be arithmetic section, elementary statistics, data interpretation. So these are also two important topics for your assessment. And now advanced coding. So this time there is a change in this section. You will have two options. Either you have to choose any of the 14 languages, or you have to choose any of the 12 technologies. And if you choose any of the 14 languages, there will be 5 test cases, 2 public test cases and 3 private test cases. And you have to perform this on TCS Ion platform. And if you choose any of the 12 technologies which have been added this time to your assessment pattern, there will be scenario based questions. And if I talk about these 14 languages, you are already aware about that. And you have to solve these questions on metal. So this is the most important change this time, that there are also 12 technologies that are available this time in your assessment. And this will be very helpful for those candidates who are working on any of these 12 technologies in their project. So now what is actually DCA? So DCA, Digital Capability Assessment, is an incentive program which has been started by TCS for their employees. This assessment will be scheduled twice a year in May and September every year. So this will be held every year in May and September. So learning performance. So in this program, they will test your learning performance. And how your learning performance will be evaluated? It will be evaluated through protected written assessment, physical or digital prototyping, and independent panel interview. So after physical or digital prototyping assessment, there will be independent panel interview, and there will be interviewer from technical department and one from MR department. So there will be just one interview after this exam. However, both technical and MR round will be conducted in that interview only. So guys, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe this channel IT India.